Love the sofa. This sofa is okay for the money, the leather is nice and it's comfortable to sit on for short periods of time. Amazon delivery for furniture is appalling though. First one we ordered was totally smashed. Second replacement looked like it had been thrown off the van, packaging was badly damaged but amazingly the sofa only had minor cosmetic damage. Since it was a replacement there was no option to report the damage. Excellent quality, easy assembly, very good choice. Highly recommend this brand, the value is excellent for the price range. We will be decorating our guest house with the same stuff. Comfortable and great value. I've had this couch for about 1 month. It's a nice medium gray and fits in our 1B1B apartment. It was easy to assemble, came with all the pieces, and I was able to put it together alone in about 30 minutes. It's good couch for the price, very comfortable and great design. Click link in description for more reviews.